show the day of the release.
I chase bad bitches, accolades, got Will Son, no castaway. I'm twice as good, get half the praise. Throw a sniper up and I blast.
Okay.
Run away, get away now. Too many games and they all trying to play out. Too many people and they all start to change now. Let me take it back, they gon' know my name now. Yeah, we came a long way, but it's one way. Got a long way to go like it's Monday. Someday gotta be in LA. No, I gotta make it work out like chest day. Yeah, we just young and we living, we doing it right over here. While you missing just me and my homies, we running the city. Not worry about blowing these hundreds and fifties. Cause when you get caught up in money, it's fake. The happiest thoughts end up going to waste. I got all my people, they holding me down. They all coming with me when I got the crown. Track, trying to master rap. I never gave it up when they called me whack. I gotta run the game like I'm a running back. I gotta change it up so you ain't stuck with that. Now give me the mic and I'm gone. I'm hoping it ain't for too long, but I'm trying to make it all around the world. Meet the fans that put me on. You know we got it, yeah we got it. We gon' fill it up like it's a wallet. We gon' live it up like it's college. We gon' soak it up like it's knowledge, yeah. And I gotta pay homage to my fam and the fans from the hometown. Got the hill going up when we back now. Put the 919 on the map now when I'm gone.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold like
tickets at the door. It's you on the guest list. You plus 4. Make sure you bring some bad bitches. I've been sleeping on a bus, got me sore. For about a month smoking blunts, and we just started something that was great. Had me waking up each day like, damn, this chick is dope. Let's pray it lasts, I really hope it does. And usually I don't, cause usually it won't. And all we need's a little push. We're scared of this, we're scared of us. Our feelings we can barely trust. This booze got us impaired as we're in love. That's just the drugs. Don't they make you feel numb? You can't feel it all. Maybe if we loved ourselves, it wouldn't be so hard. Wouldn't be so hard to love each other. I don't think we're in love. That's just the drugs. Don't they make you feel numb? You can't feel it all. Maybe if we loved ourselves, it wouldn't be so hard. It wouldn't be so hard to love each other. More rounds. That's what we telling them. Slow down, slow down. That's what they telling us. If the bar closes at 4 and it's only 1:30, then why would we stop so early? Finally got a taxi, mumbling your addy, fighting over a girl named Abigail or Maddie. Or maybe it was Ashley, maybe it was Gabby. But notice I'm with you cause you're the only one that matters. Maybe you should've dated a rapper. This shit is love and hate, but lately mostly the latter. I just wanna live it up, call you my distant love. We get so distant from drugs, got our systems numb. She just really like to talk, she don't wanna listen much. Shouldn't this be easier? It's so difficult. That's just the drugs. Don't they make you feel numb? You can't feel it all. Maybe if we loved ourselves, it wouldn't be so hard. Wouldn't be so hard to love each other. I don't think we're in love. That's just the drugs. Don't they make you feel numb? You can't feel it all. Maybe if we loved ourselves, it wouldn't be so hard. It wouldn't be so hard to love each other. I'm so slow-mo, stumbling and falling. I guess you could call me an alcoholic. I'm not sober, and I'm not over you. Yeah. I'm so slow-mo, stumbling and falling. Guess you could call me an alcoholic. I'm not sober, and I'm not over you. I don't think we're in love. That's just the drugs. Don't they make you feel numb? You can't feel it all. Maybe if we loved ourselves, it wouldn't be so hard. Wouldn't be so hard to love each other. I don't think we're in love. That's just the drugs.